So within the district, so to speak, they had the one guy who was responsible for
For the choreography, the creating of the dance.
Was he also the one who wrote the Mekke music?
Yeah.
It's one and the same person.
So it's interesting that you mention it. In English, they separate the choreographer and the composer.
Right.
The choreographer is the one who comes with the moves. The composer is the one who comes up with the sounds, the melody.
Right.
Oh, we don't have that. It's a one-stop shop in Fiji. The one who is called the Ndaunivudu is the same person, composer, choreographer.
So Ndaunivudu is more like a general term of both dance and music.
What Western society saw as two, we saw it as one.
That's handy, save money.
Yeah, everything has to have a use.
It's just true.
Have a function.